Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to class 6 maths class. So, beta, ma'am Roshi has already completed the whole numbers with you. Today, we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Playing with Numbers. Okay. So, in this chapter, basically what we are doing is we are trying to learn about the concept of factors, multiples, HCF, LCM, and all that. Okay. So before we start all this, okay, there is something basic which I need to discuss with you all. That is, what are factors? First of all, what are factors? What is the factor of a number? How do we know whether a particular number is a factor of the given number or not? Okay. So for that, what do we do? Let's just take one example, okay? Let's say I take 12, all right? Now, simply if I ask you what are the factors of 12, that means that I am trying to answer the question that which all numbers have 12 in their table. I repeat myself, which all numbers have 12 in their table, those all numbers will be the factors of 12. Understand? So let's start with 1. Is 1 the factor of 12? Yes, it is. In fact, 1 is a factor of every number, right? Be it any number, 1 will be the factor of all the numbers, right? So the first factor of 12 is 1. What is the next factor? Okay, let's talk about 2. Is 2 a factor of 12? Yes, it is. Yes. So the second factor of 12 is 2. Next number is 3. Is 3 a factor of 12? Yes, it is. So the third factor of 12 is 3. Next number is 4. Is 4 a factor of 12? Yes, it is. So the fourth factor is 4. Fine. What is the next factor of 12? Right? So 4 is the factor of 12. Right? What about next number? Next number is 5. Is 5 a factor of 12? No, it is not. 5 के table में 12 आता है? नहीं आता है. So that means 5 is not a factor. Let's talk about the next number, 6. Is 6 a factor? Yes, it is. So the fifth factor of 12 is 6. After that, we move to 7. Is 7 a factor? No. 8? No. 9? No. 10? No. 11? No. 12? Yes. So, there is one more factor, which is 12. So, how many factors of 12 do we have? So, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Do you understand? Do you understand the concept of factors? What does factor of a number mean? Fine. So if I am, let's say if I ask you, ki beta, okay, these are the smaller numbers, we can calculate like that. But what if there is a bigger number and we want to check whether my given number is a factor of it or not? Then what will I do? Let's take one example here. I'm taking the example of 1249. Okay. Okay. The question is 3 a factor of 1249? So what will I check? I will simply check that if I divide 1249 by 3, do I get any remainder or do I not get any remainder? Understand? So is 1249 divisible by 3? If I answer this question, that will automatically give me the answer of whether 3 is a factor of 1249 or not. Okay, let's find out. We have all done the divisibility test. Yes. So if this number has to be divided by 3, that means the sum of the numbers should also be divisible by 3, right? So 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 9, 16. 16, is it divisible by 3? No, it is not. So that means 1249 is not divisible by 3, right? It is not divisible by 3. So I will say no, 3 is not a factor of 1249. Understand? Fine. So the first, okay, I'll give you the homework in the end, okay? The second thing is, if we have to find out the multiples of a number, okay? First thing was factor, second thing was multiples, okay? But before that, okay, let me just not get into multiples right now. Right now, I'll tell you how to find out factors for any given number, okay? Let's take the example of 468. I want to find out the factors of 468. You remember how do we find out the factors? I'll do it like this. First of all, I'll divide it by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Again, I'll divide it by 2. 1 1 7. After this, I need to find out if there is any other number by which I can divide 117. Of course, it is an odd number. So 2 wala part to hamara wahi finish ho gaya. No even numbers will be able to divide 117. So now let's think about 3. Is this number divisible by 3? Yes, it is. So 3. 3 3s are 9. Then 27. 3 9s are 27. Again, I see this is divisible by 3. So I have 13, right? 13 3s are 39, remember? And after that, I have 13 and 1 here. So what will I write? I will write the factors of 468 are 2, 3, and 13. And 468 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 13. Now, beta, can I say 4 is also a factor of this 468? Is it a factor? Yes, 2 2s are 4. It is. 4 is also a factor, right? What about 2 3s are 6? Is it a factor? Yes, 6 is also a factor. So, how do we find out all the factors? That is my question. So, what will I write? See, how I will write it? I have written it as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 13. Right? This is how I've written. Right? So first of all, I will take all the possible combinations. First one is 2, right? Then 2, then 3. I'm moving in the ascending order. First of all 2, then 3. 4 will be there. Yes, 2 2s are 4. Yes, it is there. 5 will be there. No, 5 kahin pe bhi nahi hai. 6 will be there. 3 2s are 6. Yes, 6 will be there. 7 will be there. No, 7 is not here anywhere. 8, 2 2s are 4. Can I see any 8 here? No, I cannot. Right? So 8 will not be a factor. What about 9? 3 3s are 9. Is 9 a factor? Yes, 9 is a factor. Then 10. Is 10 a factor? No, 10 is not a factor. 11, no. 12, now see 12. 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12. Yes, 12 is a factor. See how I got it? 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12. That means out of all these combinations, I can make 12. So 12 is one of the factors. What about 13? Yes, it is. 14, no, 14 is not a factor. 15, can you see 15 is a factor? No, it is not. 16, again, no. 17, 18, okay, now see 18. 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18. So yes, 18 is a factor, right? 19, no. 20, is 20 a factor? No, it is not. 21, 3 7s are 21, 7 कहीं पे भी नहीं है. 22, no. 23, no. 24, can you see anywhere 24? 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12. But there is not one more 2. So we cannot have 24. Right? 25, no. 26. Now see 26, 13, 2s are 26. Yes, 26 is a factor. 27, 3 3s are 9. Is there another 3? No. So I cannot make 27. 28, no. 29, no. 30, no. 31, no. 32, no. 33, 34, 35, 36. 36. 3 3s are 9. 2s are 18. 2s are 36. Yes, 36 is a factor. Do you understand? Out of all these combinations, I can use any to make the number. If I am able to make that number, that means it is a factor. So here when I multiply all of these, I am getting 36. That means 36 is a factor. Right? Next, 37, no. 38, no. 39, yes. Why? 13 3s are 39. Fine. Do you understand this? How we are doing it? Do you understand? So now 13 3s are 39. There are again so many more factors also for this number. I hope you are able to understand how we have to make these combinations. Okay. So I'll tell you a simple way of doing it. Fine. Just write them in this order. 2, 2, 3, 3, 13. Fine. After that, you can simply make any combinations. First of all, you can make a combination of 2 into 2, then 2 into 3, then 2 into 2 into 3, then 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, then 2 into 13, 3 into 13, 2 into 2 into 13, 3 into 3 into 13, 2 into 3 into 13. Are you understanding what are we doing? Yes, we are making all possible combinations out of these numbers. Fine. This is how we find out the factors of any given number. Understand? Now, beta, I think I should not introduce multiples as of now. We should practice more of factors till now. So I am giving you some questions here so that you can practice about factors. Okay. Find the factors of first one 8, second is 15. See, I'm giving you easy questions. We started with the difficult so that you should not have any problems solving the difficult ones. Okay. Right now I'm giving you easy questions. Third one is 24. Then fourth one is 36. And fifth one is 54. Understand? So all these questions need to be done in your fair copy. Okay? In your fair copy, this is your homework. And tomorrow, I will just brush up the concepts of factors once, and then we will start with multiples. Okay? I hope things are clear with you, beta. If you have any doubts, you can comment on that group. I will try to look at them. And if you have any serious doubts, I'll try to sort them out in the next class. Okay? So please, till now, this is your homework. Do it well and stay safe. Okay? Take care. Bye.